Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can create an announcement on your WooCommerce WordPress website. So let's get started. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins, then click Add New. In the search bar, type WP Front Notification Bar or Top Bar and install the one you like. Once it's activated, go to the plugin settings and create your announcement message, for example, free shipping on orders over $50 or holiday sale 20% off all items. Then choose where you want the bar to appear, such as at the top or bottom of your website. You can also customize the background color, button style, and set start or end dates for limited time offers. Once you're done, click Save Changes and visit your website. You'll see your announcement bar live. And that's it. Now you know how to create a professional announcement bar in WooCommerce WordPress to grab customer attention. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.